Astronomers have detected in the stellar halo that represents the Milky Way's outer limits a group of stars more distant from Earth than any other known within our own galaxy, almost halfway to a neighbouring galaxy. The researchers said that these 208 stars inhabit the remotest reaches of the Milky Way's halo, a spherical stellar cloud dominated by the mysterious invisible substance called dark matter that makes itself known only through its gravitational influence. The furthest of these stars is 1.08 million light-years from Earth. For reference, a light-year is the distance that light travels in a year, 5.9 trillion miles or 9.5 trillion kilometers. This study is redefining what constitutes the outer limits of our galaxy. Our galaxy and Andromeda are both so big that there is hardly any space between them, say experts. These stars, which were spotted using the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope on Hawaii's Mauna Kea mountain, are a part of a category of stars called RR Lyrae that are relatively low mass and typically have low abundances of elements heavier than hydrogen and helium. The most distant one appears to have a mass of about 70% that of our Sun. No other Milky Way stars have been confidently measured further away from these. The stars that populate the outskirts of the galactic halo can be viewed as stellar orphans, probably originating in smaller galaxies that later collided with the larger Milky Way. Our interpretation about the origin of these distant stars is that they are most likely born in the halos of dwarf galaxies and star clusters which were later merged or, more straightforwardly, cannibalized by the Milky Way, say experts. Their host galaxies have been gravitationally shredded and digested, but these stars are left at the large distance as debris of the merger event. You can check out our video on galactic cannibalism to know more about this phenomenon. The Milky Way has grown over time through such calamities. The larger galaxy grows by eating smaller galaxies, by eating its own kind. Containing an inner and outer layer, the Milky Way's halo is vastly larger than the galaxy's main disk and the central bulge that are teeming with stars. The galaxy, with a supermassive black hole at its center, about 26,000 light-years from Earth, contains perhaps 100 billion to 400 billion stars, including our Sun, which resides in one of the 4 primary spiral arms that make up the Milky Way's disk. The halo contains about 5% of the galaxy's stars. Dark matter, which dominates the halo, makes up most of the universe's mass and is thought to be responsible for its basic structure, with its gravity influencing visible matter to come together and form stars and galaxies. The halo's remote outer edge is a poorly understood region of our galaxy. These newly identified stars are almost half the distance to the Milky Way's neighbouring Andromeda galaxy. We can see that the suburbs of the Andromeda halo and the Milky Way halo are really extended and are almost back to back, experts say. So interesting, am I right? The folds of space continue to be a source of mystery and investigation, but we always have more information going forward. Subscribe to our channel so that you can keep being updated on all the new information as and when it comes. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your fellow space buffs. Also, let us know your thoughts about this video and about the foundation of these new stars in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day ahead.